Okay, dear students, how are you? I hope you are well, staying at home. Okay, continue our continue our class. Okay, as usual, today's topic is narration. We are learning narration. Today we will practice on narration. Okay, at first I will give you some sentences to practice you. Then you will show me. তারপর তোমরা এটা কি করবে আমাকে দেখাবে and and then we will discuss where is your mistake. Okay, I hope you are prepared. Okay, now I will write the sentence. Okay, Rima, write down please. Rima said to me, comma invert comma, please please help me to Dina said said to me, comma invert comma, may you shine in life. 3. Father said to Rupa, comma invert comma, may God bless you. May God bless you. 4. For Rifa said to me, comma invert comma, how nice your hand writing is. Okay, dear students, 4 sentences are given to practice. Okay, please practice fast. We know Okay. Rima said to me, please help me. Dina said to me, may you shine in life. Father said to Rupa, may God bless you. Rifa said to me, how nice your handwriting is. Shafan, have you finished your practice? Nafis, have you finished?
No, sir. দেখতেছি এটা।
Okay. Ashikul, Riam, have you finished?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay, Riam, first sentence, please tell. Say.
Rima said to me, please
Slowly.
help me. Rima requested me.
Rima,
Help,
okay, I will write
help.
down the answer. Rima requested
Requested
me
me to
to help
help her.
her. Okay, please make me understand. রিয়াম তুমি এটা বুঝিয়ে দিতে পারবে কিভাবে হলো?
Sir.
রিয়াম আনমিউট ফার্স্ট।
Yes, sir.
এটা বুঝিয়ে দাও আমাকে।
Subject plus sentence অনুসারে requested
why
plus
কেন
object
কেন রিকোয়েস্টেড হলো? there is please, ওকে, অনুরোধ বুঝাচ্ছে এখানে রিকোয়েস্টেড, দেন অবজেক্ট, দেন according to rule 2, okay, plus verb 1, yes, her, this is first person, we know if there is first person, we know if there is first person, okay,
First person.
according to subject,
Yes.
according to subject, okay, subject Rima.
Subject.
There is object of Rima, her. Rima requested me to help her. Okay, sentence 2. Okay, sentence 2, dear students, we know this is optative sentence. This is optative sentence. there is may. Okay, if there is may begins, we know it is optative sentence. We also may, the sentence begins with may. We also know interrogative sentence, but there will be interrogation mark. Okay, Dina, we know instead of said, there will be wished. Dina wished according to rule for me. Okay, according to rule, we know that then subject. We know if there is second person, there will be subject according to first person. Okay, then I, the subject form of me, I might, may, might, according to tense. Okay, might shine in life. Dina wished for me that I might shine in life. Okay, 3 sentence. This is also optative sentence because it begins with may. Okay, this also expresses wish or pray. Okay, father prayed for Rupa. Father prayed for Rupa that okay, subject here God. Subject here God. We know God is third person, so there will be no change. There will be no change. God. Okay, God might, according to tense, there will be may, might. God might verb 1 according to rule bless. Okay, this is, there is object here you. We know if there is second person, there will be object. Okay, object Rupa. Object, the objective form of Rupa, her. Okay, father prayed for Rupa that God might bless her. Okay, number 4. Now we will come to number 4, dear student. We know this sentence exclamatory sentence because ends of the sentence exclamation mark. Okay, we know this sentence expresses wonder. Okay, so we will write Rifa according to the exclaimed with wonder. Okay, that according to rule that, okay, there is subject, your handwriting, your second person, so there will be object. This possessive form we have already discussed: subjective form, objective form, possessive form. Your possessive form, so possessive form of me, my handwriting. my handwriting. Okay, there is tense according to tense. Okay, auxiliary verb am is are was were. My handwriting was, we know if there is am is are, there will be was were. Okay, handwriting singular. Okay, my handwriting was very, okay, we know very, according to rule, very nice. Okay, Rifa exclaimed with wonder that my handwriting was very. Okay, dear students, please write the answer. If there is mistake, please try to understand. Okay. Okay, now you can question. Please unmute and you can question if there is. Okay. Not everybody. If only if you do not understand, only you will put the question.
Sir, ওইটা কি হবে স্যার?
Where? Number mention. Number mention.
স্যার, ওইটা কি হবে?
ওটা কোনটা? Number mention please. Riam, have you understood? Zillur Rahman?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, dear, okay, dear students. Any question?
Yes, sir.
Any question? Okay, dear students, I hope you have understood the class. Okay, I hope.
Sir.
I have.
Sir, time is over.
Okay, I know. Okay, dear students. Now I am going to finish the class. Thank you. See you again.
Yes, sir. Assalamu alaikum.